Also, your margarita tasting
doing?
at 3 p.m. in the Gold Rush Saloon.
What are you doing,
We've got your
dudes?
Jimmy Buffett Pool Party poolside with Steve and Terry Williams of the Blast at 3:30 p.m. and so much more. Take a look at page 3.
What are you doing? Yeah. So today is our last day here from Kauai. We're gonna sail back to Oahu. Our last day of the cruise and relaxing. This is not phone, little man. It's a camera.
My little rude Jude here.
Eating, what are you eating? Popsicle? So what are we looking at?
Nepali coastline.
Nepali coastline. It's kind of misty. With my toe. What am I doing in there? It's a fitness center. Finding the bathroom. Anyways. Yeah.
The entire island of Kauai was dome-shaped, and the coast extended into a gradual slope a mile farther out to sea than it does at present.
Go to the flash thing, Dada. Look at that.
I see. Once again, this is your Hawaiian ambassador, Kaulana. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon and all of the exciting entertainment this evening. Mahalo for listening for this brief narration, and aloha.
Our last dinner. I'm having salad for my appetizer and soup.
Supposed to pray or something?
Yeah, I did. Jay's sleeping. This is our entree. Big steak, huh? Yummy dinner. Our last dinner in a cruise. Dessert. Chocolate spread cake. What you got there? Coconut? Mango? Something? My dessert. Yum. It's time to go, Jace. Jace, we're going bye-bye. Can I say bye-bye, ship?
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Hi.
Not hi, bye-bye.
Hi. Hi.
Time to go home. The fishing's over.
Huh?
Fishing's over. You have fun?
Yeah.
What'd you do? You rode the train. You ate and watched the fire dance. Right? You had fun. You had your birthday cake. What else? You got your present. You turned 3 here in the ship. Yeah. Bye-bye, everyone.
2.
You're 3 now.
2.
Okie dokie.
3.
Enjoy.
Say bye. Bye-bye.
High five. Thanks, buddy.
We're leaving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ship.
Bye-bye to the ship.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to Hawaii. We're leaving the ship. We're going home. Vacation's over. Watch out, Jace. Good job. Such a big boy now.